Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to fix blurry photos using HitPaw Photo Enhancer. So what we'll have to do first is simply download and install HitPaw. So you can go to this URL section on any browser that you have and simply type HitPaw, and of course there's an online version if you want to use it, but for me I'm going to hitpaw.com. This should take you into their website. Make sure, as an example, if it's your first time in here, you'll find an example, a login option at the top right corner. If you go and click on that, you'll be able to log in or basically create an account using a Google account, or even the regular way. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating your account, you can use Google. So now as an example here, you can go to the top and you'll find here an AI or photo AI. So we'll find here for desktop, and of course we have for mobile. We don't care about mobile at the moment, and we will have here HitPaw Photo P or Photo Enhancer. Basically AI enhanced photos on Windows. And of course, if you want this, there's the objects removal, and this is an example for Mac. For me, I'm just going to use and click on that option. And as you can see, I'll be able to buy it or try it for free. And of course, you can try it first. And if you like it, then you'll be able to buy plan if you want to. So once it is downloaded, I'll just go and start the installation example process, and then just wait for it. In the meantime, you will be able, as an example, to use HitPaw or HitPaw online. So you can go and look for that. You can click on AI Photo Enhancer right away, and you can click on Start for free. And simply in here, I'm just going to choose my image right away. And here we are. So in here, as you can see, my image is a little bit blurry. It's not like the greatest. Let me just zoom a little bit so you can see it more. So as you can see, it's not like the greatest. It's a little bit blurry. So you have some processes to add to this image to make it better. As you can see, you have here some face models, some general models, denoise model, animation models, and a lot of other things. For the free plan, you'll be able to use 3 processes per day. Of course, this is for the online option. So if you try here on the photo enhancer to use a model example, so this would accurately capture human face in photos and restore HD portrait. For as an example, like Soft 2, as you can see, you'll find more description here. So this soft model outputs faces with a softer look. This is an example is better for side face like pictures and multiple faces. And this is sharp mode outputs and sharper face. For example, it's installed at the moment. And let's just go and try to use one process. So for example, I'm just going to click on process right here. So for example, they're processing my picture. This is an example, the online one. I'm going through the application that we just downloaded right now. We just go, as an example, through the online now. So as an example, this is my picture without any photo enhancement. And this is an example, the picture with photo enhancement. You may notice, an example, this like watermark, but it can be removed using, of course, a plan. You'll need to go and upgrade your plan, and they will remove basically the watermark, and they will also give you a download option. So they don't, as an example, they give you like the watermark, so you cannot just go and screen it. Of course, there are other AI tools that can remove the watermark if you want to just screen it. So as you can see, there is actually a difference if you notice. Like they make the image cleaner. So this is an example, this soft model. And as I said, you have 3 processes per day, so keep that in mind. At the moment, this is an example for online. Now let's just go to the desktop version that we just installed. Basically, once I click on it, I'll find a lot of stuff. We don't care about any of that. I can go basically and click on enhance photos right now. So in here, I'll have to go and drop a photo. Let me just go and drop the same photo as an example. And here we are. So here you'll find like a guide to help you understand like those models if you want to. So an example, this is to manage AI enhancer. Here you can hover over the model usage for instructions example. Here's to preview stuff, and you need to download models before you use them. So an example, if I want to use this AI enhancer model, I'll need to download it. So I'm just going to click on yes, and example, it will need to be downloaded. So in here, it's basically the same as online version. It's a little bit cleaner because it's an application here, and all you need to do, just go and choose the model that you want, and then you'll be able to select faces example. So you can just go here and select your face, and then click on done. And in here, an example, you'll be able to choose to apply this model, upscale an example model, add this denoise model. So you'll be able to enable or turn on or turn off as an example. Maybe I don't want that. I can just go and turn it off. Maybe I don't want that. I can just go and turn it off and stuff like that. So for me, I'm just going to keep this upscaling. I'm just going to keep every model here so you can see. So as an example, this is my original picture. And if I click on preview, as you can see, it will take some time until it starts enhancing. And once it gets enhanced, as an example, I'll be able to see. So let's just wait. It will not take a lot of time. Of course, this is at the moment just using 3 models added to it. So you'll find here some zoom options. And once you finish, you'll be able to export it. So as you can see, the image is clearly much clearer. So of course, this is like just using 3 models at the moment: face model, upscale model, and the noise model. If I go and add like other models like the Sharpen model, of course, this is for animation if you want to animate it. This colorize model, example, if it's black and white. There's the scratch repair example to repair some pictures if you have, and there's also the color calibration as well. So as you can see also here, like the watermark is at the bottom left or right, sorry. And this will make it better for you. So you can just go as an example if you want to, and you'll be able to take a screenshot. And of course, your screenshots, you'll be able to use wherever you want. And as you can see, the picture is still good with the screenshots with no watermark. So this is an example much better than the online option, because online it has the watermark right here. You'll not be able even to take a screenshot or even download. But you'll be able, let me just go and close those, I don't need them anymore. If you download this, as you can see, you'll find the watermark if you are on the free plan anyway. And you will be able to use more processes, not that like the online option. The online option has just 3 processes per day. So you can apply like 3 processes to, I don't know, 3 models to basically 3 pictures or whatever you want. But here you'll be able to do it kind of unlimited. So try it out. It's not totally unlimited. You'll be limited at some point, but it's fine. As an example here, just go and add also the Sharpen model here, and like just click on preview. So just wait for the enhancements and finish. And of course, after we finish all of that, I'm just going to click on export, and I'm going to export my image, and I should be good to go. So as you can see here, okay, and here we are. So this is at the moment is our enhanced picture. So you can zoom in as an example to see exactly like all this place how it was. So as you can see, so this eye, as you can see, it was so blurry, as you can see in here, and look how it's become. And of course, like other stuff, like the beard, the hair, the everything, like even the background is a little bit much better. It's not blurry as it was. So now once you have your picture, you can just go and click on export, or you can click on the settings option where you'll be able to set up where you want it to be exported, the file name, the file format, export the DPI, and of course the quality. Do you want it to be high, medium, or low? Also keep exit data if you want to, and auto select models if you want to. There's also this maximum active tasks for GPU if you want to, and high resolution acceleration if you want to enable it as well. So you can adjust the settings however you want, click on save, then click on export. So as an example, you will be able to use the trial right away. And for the trial, as you can see, you will not be able to export, and you will not be able to do the cloud render or review without the watermark. So if you want to export, you'll basically need the premium. But as we said, we don't care about that. We can simply just go and take a screenshot of the exact picture that we want. So, for example, this is my picture. I'm just going to take my screenshots right here. And here we are. I do have my picture ready to use. I can just go and use it wherever I want. Here we are. We'll have our picture. Now, as an example, you can even try here and click on save all or save as. Like this picture, I'm just going to save it here. So, an example, enhanced like pic. I'm just going to add enhanced pic. Click into the button, and here we are. We have our picture ready to use. So that's basically it on how to like enhance or fix the blurry photos using HitPaw. If you have any question, of course, leave it down below in the comment section. And if you need anything else, again, leave it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.